Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Google Analytics data with Google detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding that recovering your Google Analytics data is essential for maintaining your insights and analysis. First, confirm you have the correct access to your Google Analytics account. Log into your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. Once logged in, navigate to the property from which you want to recover data. Check the admin settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the Property column, select the Property settings. Scroll down to ensure that you have the correct view selected. Next, review the view filters to verify that no filters are inadvertently excluding your data. If you identify any problematic filters, you can either remove or modify them. To check for deleted data, look for the Data Retention settings in the Property column. Adjust the retention settings if necessary to ensure your data is stored for an adequate period. Consider setting up Google Data Studio for enhanced reporting and visualization of your data. Now, if you've accidentally deleted a view, go back to the admin panel. In the View column, select the trash can to see if the view can be restored. Follow the instructions on the screen if there is an option to restore deleted views. Another step is to access the User Management section in the Admin panel. Ensure your user permissions are correctly set for data access and management. If you suspect data loss due to a technical issue, visit the Google Analytics Help Center. Look for troubleshooting guides that may provide solutions for data recovery. You can also submit a support request to Google Analytics for assistance. Provide them with all relevant details about your data loss. If your website was migrated or changed tracking IDs, confirm the new setup is correctly implemented. Install and verify the new Google Analytics tracking code on your website. Test the implementation using the Google Tag Assistant or debugging tools. Regularly back up your Google Analytics data using Google Sheets or the Google Analytics API. This will enable easier access to your historical data in case of future issues. Finally, maintain regular audits of your Google Analytics setup to prevent data loss. This proactive approach will help secure your data integrity in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.